So hello guys, my name is Ashwin Rawat and you are watching Ashwin Tech Mind. And today in this video we will learn about JDBC. So what is JDBC and what are the various types of operations that we can perform on database applications by using JDBC. So we will discuss all these things in this video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, let's see the introduction of JDBC. What is JDBC? The JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. Now the meaning of Java Database Connectivity is that if there is an application and if there is a database, if we want to interact with each other, then we have to use JDBC. So JDBC is basically an API which can be used to interact with front-end applications and back-end database. Now the second point is it is the part of Java Standard Edition. If you know the brief history of Java, when Java was launched first, it has three editions. The first one is Micro Edition, the second one is Standard Edition, and the third one is Enterprise Edition. So it is the part of Java Standard Edition. It uses JDBC drivers to connect with the database. Now what are JDBC drivers? We will discuss in upcoming topics. Basically drivers are nothing but these are some jar files that we have to download from internet to connect with the database. These are necessaries. The JDBC is an standard API of Java to build connection oriented application. Now what is the meaning of connection oriented application? So let's see with an example. If there is an application which has some controls like text boxes, radio buttons, text fields, buttons, and if there is a database which contains some tables, if user comes and the name of the user is Ramesh, he enter his credentials and other type of details such as age, mobile number, salary, etc. Then we have to store these things in a table which is of a database. Okay. So let's see with the architecture of JDBC, the front end applications and databases. As in the figure you can see the front end applications are communicating with the database with the help of JDBC API and the JDBC drivers. So if there are some applications like library management system and any type of desktop application, okay, I'm not saying that the library management system is an only example of JDBC. There are a lot of applications that you can use in JDBC, like any type of desktop application that is developed by using JavaSync or either by JavaFX. Okay, so if there are front end applications and back end database, so and if we want to that they interact with each other, then we have to use JDBC API. Now the databases are of any type like MySQL, Oracle, MS SQL, and any type of data sources. And the front end application are desktop application. Okay, so what are the system requirements for JDBC? So there are five things that you need to work with JDBC. The first thing is JDK, which is Java Development Kit, that help you to build the application by Java. And the next thing is JRE, which means Java Runtime Environment, which provide you the environment to run Java applications. Third thing is Java itself, and the fourth thing which is necessary, which is connector jar. Now what is connector jar? The connector jar is a jar file which can be used to connect with the database. You have to download these connector jars for running an JDBC application. Fifth thing is IDE. What is IDE here? The IDE is integrated development environment. You can use NetBeans, you can use IntelliJ IDEA, you can use Eclipse, whatever you want. Okay, but I would like to suggest you that use NetBeans for JDBC. Okay, now let's see what JDBC can do. The JDBC can interact with any type of database. Means we can interact with the database and the data stored in the database. Okay, it can execute queries. Now what type of queries? Any type of queries that will write in MS SQL Server or MySQL or any type of database, like inserting records, updating the existing records, retrieving the values by using select command, and deleting the records by using delete command. any type of queries that we can write in SQL. We can also use those queries in JDBC. It can insert the records in the database, it can update the existing record in the database, it can retry the values, means it can fetch the data from the database, and it can delete the existing records. Okay, so in this video we will see we have seen that what JDBC can do, and what is the introduction of JDBC, and what actually JDBC is, and architecture of JDBC. In the upcoming videos we will tell you how JDBC application actually made by using NetBeans, by using Eclipse, etc. So follow these tutorials to work with JDBC. We will meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye.